Hey guys, Olga Sobi here and welcome to another acrylic pouring video. Today I have a bit of a new idea for my color combo and also for the composition that I want to do for my split color base. I want to do it with the funnel technique. By the way, in my previous video I have done the split color base with the open cup technique and it turned out so good. So definitely check it out, and yeah, let's see how things gonna turn out today. Let's get started. So today I'm working on 16 by 20 canvas, and honestly I really like the bigger size when I'm working with the funnel technique. And I have this new really small little cute funnel. I really like that it has very narrow stem. So it will probably give me a little more delicate design. So yeah, we'll see how this one works. So for my today's composition, I have the idea to do two sort of circle-ish shapes with white on a corner and my dioxazine purple inside. So one circle in the top corner. It's gonna be a bit smaller. And the other one I want to do a bit bigger. And for the funnel technique, I like when my base is not very thick. Serenity is my secret message. So next, as always, I torch to pop the air bubbles in the paint. My paint is freshly mixed. I mixed it last night, so I do have quite a few air bubbles. Okay, so now let's do the travels. So I'm gonna do two travels today, one along this side and one along this side. And I want this to be a little bigger to bring more weight on the bottom of the piece, or maybe it's gonna be the top, I don't know yet, and a little less here. I got 5 colors here. So I have a gold. This is a metallic color. It's sort of a mix of orange and red. This is deep violet. This is a bit of a mix of turquoise blue, phthalo blue, and a touch of white, and this is bright aqua green. I'm gonna list all the mixture and exact paint brands and other products that I'm using in the description of this video. So now let's do the travel. I'm thinking which one I want to do first, the top or the bottom. Let's do the top first. All right, so let's do the travel. This is a lot of gold, my friends, but I love it. The gold definitely works very well with purple. They're complementary though, so they create a lot of contrast, and I love that. I really like this part where there's blue and purple, the deep violet actually behind the gold. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, let's leave this part for now. Let's let it do its thing with cells. And now I am going to do a second travel, and I'm going to use the same funnel for that. I might just take a piece of paper and wipe inside just a little bit, just prevent my colors from overmixing too much. Okay, and I'm gonna just do all the same order of colors and travel in the opposite direction. I fill this tiny funnel to the rim. It's so full. I think I'm gonna use the other hand for travel. Let's go. So I keep my funnel slightly lifted just to allow my colors release. Oh my gosh, this is just phenomenal. I love it. My God, these colors together, so good. And you know me, this is just the beginning. I'm just start playing with the composition. So what I love about funnel technique is just how it allows me to overmix and add colors to the canvas and let the colors, you know, communicate and create their own unique combinations and, you know, the whole dance of colors. And after my colors slightly overmixed, then I like to play with the composition and blowing. So for that, I am taking my little spatula, and I'm gonna include this in the description as well. And honestly, I don't want to swipe the whole lot today, just a little. But I always say just a little and sometimes end up with a whole lot of swipes. But I just follow my intuition, and I think it's a very important part of fluid art and probably any art. You just have to follow your heart. There is always good to have a plan, to plan out your colors and composition, but you just have to improvise and just have fun with it. That's all it is about. Fun and joy of creation. And like I said, I want the bottom to be my dominant part. So in the top part, I also want to do like a swipe, but maybe just a small one. Yeah, this is good. I love it. Let's play with the flowing and blowing design. Guys, this is so good! Like the axe design, purple on white, and this lacing. Oh my god, just my most favorite thing ever. There is such a rich cell action, and I want to try to keep most of it, but at the same time, I definitely want to make this a little more fun, a little more flowing and moving. You guys know I love movement in the composition. So, I love this part. It's really beautiful. So when I'm working with this technique, I really like to just like stop and step away and look at the composition and just see how I feel, where I think I can add more or where it's too busy and I need to change it up. And you know what, sometimes I would even take a ladder, like I have a small ladder in my studio, and I would just put it and look from the above, because it really helps to get a better perspective. And I think it's very important to not just go until you're like, oh my god, I wish I stopped earlier. And I feel like this area right now, it's a little too much. It's beautiful, I love all the cells, but looking from the distance, I feel like it's missing something. Or actually it has too much, so I need to either add a swipe or bring some of that purple here, and that's what I'm trying to decide. I feel like I need a little bit of this purple right here just to break down this busyness. I feel like I'm gonna add just a few tiniest drops of gold on this end because there is none. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it like this. Wow, this piece definitely has got a story to tell. It turned out to be such a combination of techniques. Let me know what you think, how you like it, and I am looking for name ideas because I see so much in this piece. I would appreciate your feedback, and as always, thank you so much for watching my videos, for following me along this fluid, fun and exploration journey, and I can't wait to share my next piece with you. Alright guys, have a great day and happy pouring. Bye bye.